Okay, guys, wanted to show you this at nighttime. I had to change out my lights. They kind of croaked, but wanted to show you we're on to Halloween and fall decorating. So I'm going to do a Halloween video and a fall video. I hope this is showing up good for you guys. Number of things that I've made: the Haunted Witch's Castle, the Sister Witches, then just plain decor here. We have the little houses down in the front. Yeah, some of this stuff is dying. I did want for you to see the little haunted house. I hope you're seeing it good. And the decor, just explaining a few little things, Dollar Tree stuff. Stop on in for a spell. It's good to be wicked. That's not Dollar Tree, nor is Life is a Witch and Then You Fly. But these things up here are, as are the tea lights and the little votive lights. And y'all saw me make the haunted houses, haunted neighborhood. And I definitely should put some more lights out here. I've just been having some lighting problems, and I don't think it's dark enough outside yet to bring in some of my solar lights. Okay, I just grabbed a fistful more lights just so it's a little, you can see it a little better. And of course, no, my lights aren't popping one outside yet. But wanted to do this one for you guys. Wanted you to see. Okay, and here's our ghostly ghost. They too are dying. I have a ton of batteries, and I have used them all and need more. Because one looks like it's barely glowing at all, and that is not the way they've been looking lately. So looks like it's almost time to replace them. Okay, here's our witch I made. She's lit up. Y'all saw me make it on a video. I put some votive lights in on top of her broom, under her hat and her dress. I hung some of the Harry Potter lights. It's a little hard to see that one. This one's misplaced. Just to give her a little light up. My lit up here at night. Okay. If you can even tell she's a witch. But yeah. So there's another one of our creations. Ready for Halloween. I do a lot with lights, guys. And I go through a ton of batteries doing it. But yeah, there she is. Okay. Here's our Wicked Witch cauldron set up. And I have too much stuff hanging up over here that needs to go away. It's not summer anymore. So that's our little witch. The Harry Potter lights. We have the little haunted house. The pumpkin y'all saw me buy. And the crystal ball there. I think it actually makes a noise if I'm not mistaken. No, I think that's the other one. Okay. But anyway, we'll do this without. Forgot to light up my crescent moon when I was showing you guys this. I've been moving my lights around too because some are croaking. It might not be quite the same thing. But the crescent moon that I showed you guys that I made, I just put star lights on it. And she's She was supposed to be lighting up the witch. Not the votives under her skirt. So there you go. Okay, we're going to try to do this without the TV in the background. Just wanted to show you guys this during the day under natural light. It did not show up well on camera at night with the really either the overhead light or the battery operated lights. And here we go. It's our shelf. Much easier to see during the day. Our little witch tree. Flower Tree Haunted House. And there's our witch during the day. Much easier to see even without overhead light. Just natural light. It's our crescent moon. Our witch. And our cauldron. Okay, I don't have a lot of light with this. I have the little boo thing lights up and the little ghost things lighting up. Here's my ghostly dog ensemble. More ghostly dog ensemble. Okay. More daylight. That says thankful for my dog. So, ghosts and witches in my little dog area. I stuck this here over the sink because my sink is dripping. I have to get it repaired. So I thought, why not stick them there? Okay, guys, this is the last of the Halloween decor. It's my windowsill. Love this. Then we move over to here. This is kind of a mess, but you know, it's functioning, right? It's the coffee thing. We have, here's where the magic happens. Couple of family heirlooms. Ceramics. I have some ceramics around here. I actually have a light up witch I can't find. This is the coffee bar thing you've seen me make. You've seen these on the shorts, the ghost. The pumpkin already has that on there on the other side, so you can use either one. I wanted the white and the ghost. And with the little Velcro stickers, put the witch's cauldrons on there. These are actually my dog's treats in treat bags. And I have made the candle, pumpkin, and this was a gift. And this has fallen over because we must include the dogs. So, hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment down below. And I'll see you on my next video.